Hi, Tracy says, Tracy McAlfresh. I am in my new room while the building is getting a makeover. We're getting Rosewood Art Center in Kettering is getting air conditioning. Can you hear me? I've got the fan on. So I had air conditioning before in the room I was in because it was connected to the office. But the room I was in is in phase 1 of construction. So they moved me to a new room, which I like. It has a lot of benefits, windows, double the space, a changing area, a closet, a bathroom, a sink. I've got everything in here except for air conditioning, and it's still gonna be warm for the next 2 weeks, but that's our goal, to get air conditioning, so this show must go on. So I'm doing some alterations. It's supposed to be 90 today, and I've got this great big fan of Rosewoods up top here, and I'm getting phone calls. I'm sorry, I hope that you can hear me. I am working on a homecoming dress. It's homecoming season. So I'm gonna give you a quick peek of the studio. So the windows, I've got all of my stuff up on this billboard and cutting table area, and then there's the changing area, my rack. I'm still using my regular machine even though I've got the new industrial machine. I just want to be able to do some stuff real quick, or if I need other stitches, I can go back and forth. So today's project, real quick, in a nutshell, homecoming dresses. We've got jeweled homecoming dresses. It needs to be taken in at the back of the zipper. And so the first thing I have to do is get the jewels off that are going to be in the way. And so these I just was able to pick off. Sometimes you have to heat them up a little bit and then pull them off, but I was able to go ahead and go in and pick them off with no problem. And then next thing I do, which it needs to be moved over each side an inch, a total of 2 inches. I always write that on my paperwork, like 1 inch equaling 2 inches total. So there's no confusion, like 1 inch, was it 1 inch on each side? If you have a better way, let me know, because I'm always ready to grow. So I have made a little mark with the washable mark, or the heat soluble marker, where it won't be seen at all, no matter what, where the 1 inch mark is at. And what I need to do is take the entire zipper out, because this dress is at an angle. You see this? So when I move it from here to here, my zipper is going to be shorter. So I have to actually take the whole zipper out, move that little seam line up a little bit, just probably a 1/2 of an inch, and then put the zipper back in. So it seems like a lot of work, but it's really, once you get that zipper off, it goes really quick. Sewing it in only takes a few minutes. It might take you almost an hour to rip the zipper off, and don't fret if it does. It's like that for everyone. And then move it over to where it needs to be. And then for the invisible zippers, I don't stitch them in. I just pin them down and sew them back in. So that's it, Tracy McAlfresh. You can find me on Instagram under Tracy Sews and follow me. I do a lot of garment sewing for fun as well, so you can see some of the garments I made, including my shirt, which is vintage fabric, and it is style arc pattern. And then my skirt, I made the skirt, let's see, 10 years ago. 10 years ago come December. So the things I make last longer. They're more my style, they're more my fit, so consider making your own clothes if you have time and you like doing it. So that's about it. I hope to inspire you to sew. I hope to inspire you to tackle some alterations and give you confidence. You can do it. I did not know everything when I first started. I used YouTube, I used friends, I worked at Hancock Fabric, I went into work and I asked people how to do things. So, and the way I may know may not be the way you know. You may have a better way, and I invite you to share it. So I will talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.